Guys, this is Candy's Natural Hair Dynamics, and today I am just stopping in because I'm about to wash some crochet locks that I am about to install, and I thought that I would just come on and show you guys how I do it. And usually I don't wash my locks or whatever hair that I'm installing because I don't have the typical issue where the hair actually bothers my scalp or irritates me or anything. But I was thinking that if there's chemical on it, then why not get it off? And at the same time, I can, actually put something on it to make it smell better and, if possible, feel a little softer. So this is the hair that I'm using. It is the Free Tress Faux Locs. Never used it before, but I am super impressed with how the hair look, guys. It looks so realistic. It looks like actually real dreads. It feels like real dreads, and and yeah, I'm so excited. I don't know if you guys can tell how realistic it is. So yes, so what I'm doing is I'm just going to remove the hair from the package. As you can see, it is secured in 2 different bundles. So in order to have them remain on this wire thing that they have them fastened with, I'm just opening the side here like so and just pulling it out while still allowing the hair to remain, on the little tie string thingy, and I'm just securing it on top like so, and that's exactly how I'm going to have the hair remain while it is being washed. Alright, so I'm just going to do that with all the pieces, and stick around and I will show you how I wash them. So in this basin I'm just catching some water. I'm just catching enough to cover the hair once I submerge it in the water. And then to the water I'm going to add some apple cider vinegar, which is actually going to be the cleansing agent for the hair. Yes, I'm using the Brad's. And I'm just eyeballing the amount, but if I was to estimate, I would say about a half a cup I'm adding to the water. And just mix that around, and pretty much I'm just going to set the hair into the water. And like I mentioned, the hair is still secured, and that will ensure that they will stay together while they are soaking. Just make sure the entire thing is immersed on the water, and I'm working with 5 packs, which should be enough to complete the style. And I'm just going to allow that to sit for maybe 15 to 20 minutes, and that should do the trick to get off whatever chemicals might be lurking in these locks. And there's no actual physical rubbing and scrubbing necessary. You just want to actually get them to rinse off, and then once you do that, you are good to go. So it has been about 30 minutes, and I am about to pour off the water and just rinse out the apple cider vinegar from the hair. And I must say kudos to Free Tress, because I can literally tell you guys that I see absolutely no floating sediments, no buildup that was on the hair that is now lingering on top of the water. It's pretty much very, very clean. So if there is chemical in it at all, then it's not, it's not nothing that is visible in the water. So I've poured that water off and I'm just catching some fresh water on it to give it a first rinse. Gonna make sure I get all of that vinegar out of the hair before it is hung to dry. And I'm just gonna pour this off and repeat that process, and good to go. And I'm now doing the final rinse. Yeah, and I'm now going to squirt a little bit of the Cream of Nature moisturizing dry defense conditioner, like literally just a tad bit. Just a tad bit. Because I believe that that will give it a nice fragrance, give the water a nice fragrance. So I'm just allowing the hair to sit in that conditioner water for a little bit, and then that is pretty much it. Yes, so it will have that freshly conditioned smell to my locks. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, I'm all done, and I just hung the hair on 2 hangers, you know, and allowing them to drip dry. And as soon as they're done, they're good to be installed. So that's all I wanted to show you guys. That's how I wash my locks prior to installing, and stay tuned for the install video because I will be showing you how I do them and how they turn out. I am super excited, and make sure to subscribe so that you guys can follow this lock journey. Thanks for watching, and until next time, talk to you guys soon.